Hello, I'm going to show you how to get started really quickly with EquatIO. First, you want to make sure you're logged into your City Schools Chrome. And to do that, you click in the top right icon, not the second one down. Confirm that you're logged in with your City Schools credentials at bcps.k12.nv.us, and that sync is on. If it's not, you want to deal with this now and make sure you're signed in and syncing. You need to add a new profile. Just click on Add at the bottom to go through the steps. Then you're going to move over to EquatIO, making sure it's installed. It does not install automatically for teachers. It only installs automatically for students currently. And to do that, you're going to click on this link right here, which is a link to the Chrome Web Store. I did search for Chrome EquatIO if you just want to search for it manually. And you'll see this page with EquatIO. I already have it installed. This blue button will allow you to install the EquatIO extension. And once you've done that, we have one more step. We're going to pin EquatIO to the top bar. So Google introduced this gray puzzle piece, which is the extensions manager. So you just want to go down on your list and find EquatIO. And if it is unpinned, it will not show up in the top. And if it is pinned, it will show up at the top. Once you have pinned it, you can reorganize your extensions however you would like.